Dr. Abdus Salam was born in Jong, a small town in what is now Pakistan, in 1926. His father was an official in the Department of Education in a poor farming district. When he cycled home from Lahore at the age of 14 after gaining the highest marks ever recorded for the matriculation examination, the whole town turned out to welcome him. He won a scholarship to Government College University of Punjab and completed his MA in 1946. In the same year, he was awarded a scholarship to St. John's College, Cambridge, where he completed his BA Honours in Mathematics and Physics in 1949. He also obtained a PhD in Theoretical Physics at Cambridge. His thesis on quantum electrodynamics had already gained him an international reputation. Dr. Abdus Salam returned to Pakistan in 1951 to teach mathematics at Government College, Lahore. In 1952, he became head of the Mathematics Department of Punjab University. To do more research in theoretical physics, he had to work abroad. Many years later, he created an institution where young physicists from developing countries could work with their peers in research and with the leaders in their own fields during their vacations. Dr. Abdus Salam's work for Pakistan has been far-reaching and influential. He was a member of the Pakistan Atomic Energy Commission, a member of the Scientific Commission of Pakistan, and was chief scientific advisor to the President of Pakistan from 1961 to 1974. He also taught at Cambridge and Imperial College in the UK. Dr. Abdus Salam has either pioneered or been associated with all the important developments in his field. He has actively and influentially participated in international scientific affairs. He has served on several United Nations committees related to the advancement of science and technology in developing countries. He has won several awards and prizes, including the Smiths Prize, Adams Prize, Nishan-i Imtiaz, Sitara-i Imtiaz, and the Nobel Prize in Physics. He was the first Muslim and first Pakistani to receive the Nobel Prize. People who worked with Dr. Abdus Salam were inspired by the fact that he worked harder than any of them. The money he received from the Atoms for Peace Medal, an award he spent on setting up a fund for young Pakistani physicists. He used his share of the Nobel Prize entirely for the benefit of physicists from developing countries and did not spend a penny of it on himself or his family.